Guys, I'm sharing my screen. Can you guys see the
Yes, sir,
screen
it's
now?
visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes,
Visible.
sir.
Yeah, it's visible.
Very good, guys. So all of you keep your mic on mute. Let's get started with the today's session. Guys, please remember today it's completely coding. We are going to write a lot of scripts today. We are going to execute them. Today's session is completely scripting. No theory, only scripting. Right. Last session, we discussed about variables and the command line arguments. Can anyone tell me what is the purpose of a variable?
To store the data.
Variables are used to store the data. Variables are used to store the data. Now, can I say like this? A is equal to 20 or A is equal to 10, one
Yes.
variable. B is equal to 20, one variable. Yes. Now, how to print these variables, guys? Echo dollar of A and dollar of B. So like this, we can access the variables and we can print those variables. Okay, now what is the purpose of command line arguments? We can supply dynamic data to the script using command line arguments. We can pass dynamic data to script using command line arguments. Got it? How to pass the dynamic data to the script? Dollar script name, that is my task.sh space Linux is easy. Now, how many arguments I'm supplying, guys? Can you tell me how many arguments I'm supplying for my script now? Three arguments I'm supplying. So do you know how to access these arguments now? Do you know how to access these arguments? We can access command line arguments in the script. We can access command line arguments in the script using dollar number. Okay. If I use $1, what it means? What it represents?
Linux.
First argument. It is going to give the first argument. Now, if I give $2, it is going to give me what?
Second argument.
It is going to give me second argument. Then if I go for $3, it will give me third argument. You got it? Fine. Okay. So with this, we understood what are the variables in the shell scripting. What is the purpose of the variables? How to store the value to the variables and how to pass the command line arguments to the script and how to access those command line arguments. Right, guys? When we are writing the script, if you want to write some comments, okay, comments, that means I want to write some information about the commands. Okay, now here I'm writing A is equal to 10. So what is this A? I can say that as declaring variable. Now here I can write echo value of A is dollar of A. Now what I can say here, I can write a comment called printing variable value, declaring a variable, printing variable value. So what is the meaning of this line? This is A is equal to 10. This is called declaring a variable, right? So what are you doing? What is the purpose of this command? You can write some comment. Declaring a variable. So when somebody look at the script, they can understand the script easily by using these comments. Guys, do you understand what is the purpose of comments? What is the purpose of comments? Comments are used to provide metadata about our script. Comments are used to provide metadata about our script. Metadata means data about the data. Metadata means data about data. Information we are providing. By looking at the comments, others can easily understand our script. By looking at comments, others can easily understand our script. Whatever the script I am writing, other people also can easily understand our script by using comments. To write a single line comment, we will use hash. To write single line comment, we will use hash. That means whatever you write, if you keep hash before the first character, if you keep the hash, then that line will become a comment. That line will become a comment. Comment will be executed or comment will not be executed. Guys, tell me, comment will be executed or comment will not be executed?
Not executed.
Comment will not be executed. Then why are we writing the comments? Why are we writing the comments?
For understanding the
Comments we are writing just for our understanding purpose. Other people can easily understand our script by reading our comments. Other people can easily understand our script by reading the comments. You got my point? Yeah. So single line comment. What is the meaning of single line comment? What is the meaning of single line comment? If you want to write the comment in one line, then you can go for hash. Hash is a single line comment. Now, can you see here, guys? This is one script I am writing. This is one script I am writing, which is used to add two numbers. Adding two numbers using script. See the script here? Adding two numbers using script. Adding two numbers using script. Sum of two numbers I am performing. Now, this is my script. Can you understand this script, what I have done here? Can you understand this script, what I have done here? What is this first line? Shebang. What is the purpose of shebang? Shebang is used to specify what is the shell we are using. Can anyone tell me which shell I am using now?
Bash.
Bash shell I am using. Bash shell. So what is this one? This is
Comment.
a single line comment. Single line comment. What is this echo? Echo is used for printing purpose. Learn bash scripting. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. What I am doing there? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. What is the meaning of that?
Declaring
Declaring
variable.
variables.
Declaring the variables. Declaring the variables. Now what is this again?
Single line comment.
Single line comment. Now C is equal to $A plus $B. I am performing sum of two numbers. What I'm doing, guys, I'm performing sum of two numbers. Then again echo result to console. I'm writing echo $A plus $B is equal to $C. So here, what are the actual script? What are the comments? Okay. Now if you see, this is a script line 1. Okay. And this is script line 2. And this is script line 3, script line 4, script line 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the scripts. Remaining things are the comments. What are the comments? Here 0, this is comment. 0, this is comment. 0, this is comment. You understand my point? Or else let me give like this. Let me give like this. What is this, guys? It is a comment or script? It is a comment, right? Now what is this? This is a script. Now this is also script. And B is equal to 4. This is also script, right? Script. This is also script. This is also script. But this one, comment. Comment. Right? Now, this is also comment. Now, do you understand what is the comment and what is the script here? Now, what is this? This is a shebang. This is shebang. So here, I want to add two numbers using this script. So here echo, learn bash scripting. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to $A plus $B. Echo $A plus $B is equal to $C. So are you able to understand what is the script I have written here? Guys, are you able to understand what is the script that we have written here? Could you please confirm?
Yes.
Very good. Can we execute this script? Can we execute this script now? Let's go to putty, connect to that, auth, browse, Linux VM, appearance, change, increase the font size of the putty shell. Okay, accept it. My username is Ubuntu. My username is Ubuntu. Clear this terminal. Now ls-l
Sir, in AWS also you can connect directly, right? Sir?
Sorry.
In AWS also you can connect directly to the Linux machine.
Yeah, you can do that.
In
You can do that.
company, they will not be doing like that, sir. We'll be using Mobax term or Putty.
Putty we will use. In the companies also we'll use Putty to connect.
In company, they will not be using direct connection. With
No. Because Putty is very flexible to write the commands. Okay.
How about the Mobax term?
That is also fine. You can use that. Whichever you are comfortable. In my company, I am using Putty only.
Okay, sir.
Right. Fine, guys. Now we are in this. I want to create one file, comments.sh or sum.sh, touch sum.sh. I have created a file. ls-l sum.sh. Okay. Now sum.sh file. Do you have any data in the sum.sh? Do you have any data in the sum.sh? No data available. Now, can I copy this data and can I paste it here? See here, guys, simply I have copied the data. I have right clicked on the putty, that is pasted. Okay, now you see I have declared Shabong. I have written a single line comment. Echo learning bash scripting. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. Again, comment is available. C is equal to $A plus $B. Echo result to the console. Echo $A plus $B is equal to $C. Now close it. Write and quit. Now, do you have a permission for that to execute? No. Chmod 777, or we can say chmod u plus x sum.sh. I'm giving execute permission for that file. ls-l. Now, can you see? Do you have execute permission for sum.sh?
Yes,
Do you
sir,
have
yes.
execute permission for sum.sh? Yes, we have execute permission for sum.sh. Can we execute it? $./sum.sh. Are we able to perform sum of two numbers now?
Yes.
Echo learn bash scripting is printing 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Is it printing or not? Can you see the script? vi sum.sh. So what I have done, I have declared a variable a is equal to 2. I have declared b is equal to 4. C is equal to $A plus $B. Then I am printing $C. So I am adding two numbers by using shell scripting. Are you able to understand this script? Why I have written this hash line? What is the purpose of this line?
Print the metadata. To print the metadata using single line comment.
What is the purpose? Is it going to print it or it is just for reading purpose?
Just
Reading purpose.
It is a comment. What is the purpose of the comments here?
Understand the code.
Tomorrow, if somebody look at this script, can they understand what is there in the script now? This is single line comment.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is another single line comment. Echo result to the console. It is a comment. Comment is used for reading purpose. Comment will improve the readability of our script. If you add the comments to the scripts, comments will improve readability of your script. So with this, we understood how to write single line comment and how to write the single line comment and how to add the sum of two numbers by using shell scripting. Are you guys able to follow this? Are you guys able to follow this?
Yes.
Yes, right. This is used to perform sum of two numbers. This is the script which is used to perform sum of two numbers, adding two numbers using script. Next one, guys, multi-line comments will be available. What is the next one? Multi-line comments will be available. What is the purpose of multiple lines is, here you are writing a comment in the single line, but I want to write my comments in the multiple lines. I want to write the comments in the multiple lines because my comment is very big. My comment is very big. I want to write the comments in multiple lines. Can you see here? This is a single line comment. That means only one line I am writing the comment. In only one line, I'm writing the comment. Echo learn bash scripting. Echo good day. Echo good day. Okay. Now this is the command. But what about this? What about this? Is it going to execute or it is just a multi-line comment? If you want to write the comment in the single line, if you want to write the comment in the single line, If you want to write the comment in the single line, you can use hash symbol. But if you want to write the comment in the multiple lines, then you can go for this syntax, comment, comment. This represents multi-line comments. If we want to write the comments, if we want to write a comment in single line, if we want to write comment in single line, then we will use hash. If we want to write the comments in multiple lines, if we want to use comments in multiple lines, then we will use comment, then we will use comment, and we will write the comment here. It is comments goes here, write comments here, write comments here. Able to follow this? What is the difference between single line comment and multiple line comments? If you want to provide some information about your script, what your script is doing, when somebody look at your script, they should understand. When somebody look at your script, they should understand. For understanding, you are going to write the comments. If you want to write a comment in the single line, then you can use hash. If you want to write the comments in the multiple lines, then this is the syntax. Here, comment is this. This is a multiple line comment in the bash scripting. So it is starting with this and ending with this. It is not going to execute. It is just a comment. So in this script, which one will be executed, guys? In this script, which one will be executed?
Echo learn bash scripting. Good day.
Learn bash scripting will be printed. Good day will be printed. Remaining things will not be printed because they are comments. Multi-line comments in scripting. So do you understand when to go for single line comment and when to go for multi-line comment? If you want to write the comment in the single line, then go for that. If you want to write the comments in multiple lines, then go for this scenario. Good. Next one, guys. Next one is if-else statements, conditional statements. What is the purpose of if-else statements? What is the purpose of if-else statements?
Controlling.
If-else statements are used to execute our program based on conditions. If we want to execute our script commands based on conditions, then we can use if else, we can use control statements. What we can use, guys? We can use control statements. What are the control statements are available? If else, if else, like this. If else, if else like this. If else like this. Control statements are available which are used to execute. Now I have a requirement. I want to write one program or I want to write one script which will read the age of the user and it will tell whether that user is eligible for vote or not. Whether that user eligible for vote or not. Okay. Now, if you want to go for shell scripting, if then else, then this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Okay. If like this, we can write a syntax like this. Right. What is the syntax to write this? What is the syntax write this? What is the syntax to write the control statements in the script? If I will write a condition, if condition satisfied, then execute these statements. Else, then execute these statements. If condition satisfied, then execute these statements. Else, then execute this statement. Are you able to understand syntax of this?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand the syntax of the if else? If condition satisfied, then execute some commands. Else, execute some other commands. Now, for that, what is the script I'm taking is, I want to read one person age. I want to read one person age. Do you know how to read the age of the person? Do you know how to read the age of the person? By using echo, I'm printing enter your age. Then read age. Here user will enter the age, then read age. Once you read the age, if age greater than or equal to 18, then print you are eligible to vote. Else you are younger. Then end. If you want to end the script, if you want to end the if condition, then F5. If starting the condition, F5 ending the condition. This is our script. This is the example for if else, guys. This is the syntax and this is the example. This is the syntax and this is the example. Can you guys look at the example script now? Echo. Do you know what is the purpose of echo? Do you know what is the purpose of echo now? Come on,
Yes,
speak
sir.
out. What is the purpose of echo?
To print the
Echo is used to
print the
print.
data.
Echo is used to print. What is the purpose of read?
To read the data.
Read the value.
Read the
Read
data.
the
To read the
value.
value. What is the purpose of if?
To
And
check
control
the
statement.
condition.
To check the condition. What is the condition it is checking? Hyphen GE. GE means greater than or equal to. GE means greater than or equal to. If age greater than or equal to 18, then it will print you are eligible for vote. If your age is not greater than or equal to 18, then it is going to print you are younger. You are younger. What is the purpose of F5?
End.
End of the
Ending the if statement. Ending the if statement. You got it?
One question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, hyphen G, this is a reserved keyword.
Yes, sir, it is a reserved keyword, greater than or equals to. Generally, in the numeric format, we will write the greater than or equal to like this, na? This is equal to GE.
Okay.
GE means greater than or equal to.
Okay.
If age greater than or equal to 18, then execute this statement, else execute this statement. That means this is, my script is executing the commands based on the condition.
Okay, sir.
You got it?
Yes.
Chalo. Can we create this script? Guys, observe carefully how I am going to create the file now. Do you know how to create an empty file in the Linux?
Touch command.
Touch.
Using touch command.
Touch space voting.sh. Touch space voting.sh. How to edit this file?
VI command.
vi space voting.sh. vi space voting.sh. Now it is in the edit mode. Is it in the insert mode? No.
No.
How can I insert? How can I write the data?
I.
It is in the insert mode. Now I have a script ready. Let's copy this script. Let's copy this script. How can I paste the script in this editor? Right click on your mouse. Right click. So am I able to paste the script now?
Yes.
Yes. How to close it? How to close it?
WQ.
Escape colon WQ. Now script is ready. Does this file having execute permission?
No.
No. How to give the execute permission?
chmod u plus x.
chmod u plus x voting dot sh. Voting dot sh. Now how to execute it?
Dot slash
voting dot sh. Enter your age. I'm entering my age as 25. What it is saying that?
You are eligible for voting.
You are eligible for vote. Now suppose let's execute this. Let me give the age as 15. What it is giving?
You are younger.
You are younger. So the commands are executing based on the conditions or not.
Yes.
Here first echo command is available. Echo enter your age. When I execute this command, it is printing this statement. Echo enter your age. Then I'm entering my age as a 15. Read age. It is reading the data which I have given in the terminal. It is stored into age variable. Then what is happening here? If age is greater than or equal to 18, then it is printing you are eligible to vote. Else it is printing you are younger. Else it is printing you are younger. Are you guys able to understand how to write a script with if else?
Yes, sir.
If else. Yeah, I will give this notepad file, guys. I have written all the syntaxes and commands for you. I will give you this script file for you. No worries. Today I will give this file. You can see this code and you can write this code. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Next
sir, yes,
one.
sir.
Now, how many conditions I'm checking now? How many conditions I'm checking now?
Earlier you
conditions.
check one, now you two.
Here,
One condition I'm checking. If a condition satisfied, then execute this. Else, execute this. Now, I want to check two conditions. I want to check two conditions. Are you able to follow me? I want to check two conditions. What is the meaning of checking two conditions? Suppose I'm going to write a script like this. I'm going to write a script like this, or else I will write a statement like this. If, else if. If you want to go for if, else if, that means if, else means only one condition you are checking. If, else if means you can check multiple conditions. If a condition one satisfied, then execute this one. Else, if a condition satisfied, execute this, then else execute this. Okay. If you want to check more than one condition, then you will go for if, else if condition. If you want to check only one condition, then if, else is sufficient. If you want to check more than one condition, if we want to check more than one condition, if we want to check more than one condition, then we will use if, elif. If, elif. Now we can say if, else if. We can say if, else if. That means my requirement is I want to check more than one condition. If condition one satisfied, then echo this statement. Else, if condition two satisfied, then echo statements. If two conditions are not satisfied, then execute else statement. Are you guys able to understand? Are you guys able to understand what is the purpose of if, elif?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between if, else and if, elif?
Single statement, multiple statement.
No, single condition, multiple conditions, not statement. Single condition, multiple conditions. If you want to check only age condition, how many conditions I'm checking in this script now?
One.
One.
condition.
If I want to check only one condition, I will go for if condition.
and the condition.
If condition satisfied, then execute this statement. Else, execute this
This
statement.
statement.
Execute this statement.
Mhm.
Now, I have a requirement of checking two conditions. More than one condition I want to check. Simple example, man. Simple example. Now, you are checking if I want to check a person is eligible for vote or not. Person is eligible for vote or not. How many conditions we need to check?
Only one.
We will check age condition. We will check age condition. Okay. How many conditions are there? Only one condition. Only one condition. Right. Now, I want to check this person is eligible for marriage or not. So if age is satisfied, is the person is going to get the marriage? No. That person is having a job, person is employee or not, person age is greater than 21 or not. How many conditions I need to check?
Two conditions.
Check age is greater than or equal to 18 or not. Check person is employee or not. Check age is greater than 18 or not. Check person is employee or not. How many conditions I need to check? Two conditions I need to check.
Two conditions.
Right. So if you want to check more than one condition, then what is the statement we are going to use? If,
else,
elif we are going to use. Now, I have prepared one script for this, guys. I have prepared one script for this. I'm going to give you a script like this. I will ask you to choose one color. I will ask you to choose one color. Echo, choose your color from red, blue, green. Choose color from red, blue, green. So read color. If a color is equal to red, then what I will print? You are cheerful. If a color, else if color is equal to blue, then I will print you are lucky. If you select the color as a green or something else, then I will print you are both. So if a color is equal to red, you are cheerful. Else if color is equal to blue, you are lucky. Else if you are both. How many conditions I'm checking now? Am I checking only one condition or I'm checking two conditions here?
Two conditions.
Two conditions. How I am checking two conditions? If else or if else if?
If else.
Okay. If else if. If else if. That means If condition 1 satisfied, execute this. If condition 2 satisfied, execute this. Else, execute this. So if you want to check more than one condition, then we will go for if elif conditions. Okay, let me create one more file here. What is the name I want to give?
Color.
Colors.sh. Colors.sh. Okay. Touch colors.sh. Now vi colors.sh. I right click. Is my script ready? Can you read the script now? What is the first line in the script?
Choose your color from
Like choose the
Choose.
color. Choose your
It is
color.
going to print a statement to choose your color. Then what is the next command?
read color.
Read
Read
color.
command. What is the first condition? If you
Red.
enter the command, if you enter the color as a red, then what will happen? If color is equal to red, if the first condition satisfied, then it will print you are cheerful. If you enter the color as a blue, first condition not satisfied, then else if color is equal to blue, then it is going to print echo, you are lucky. Suppose you enter a different color, not red, not blue, first condition not satisfied, second condition not satisfied, then it will execute else statement. Okay, escape WQ. CH mode U plus X colors.sh colors.sh /colors.sh. Choose your color from red, blue, green. I'm giving as red. Then what it is printing? You are both are. There is something problem. VI
Color.
colors.sh. Why it is printing else directly? What it should print, guys? It should. If
Sir,
color.
semicolon missing? No, na?
You are cheerful.
No. After if, then has to be in the if, I think. Space, tab,
No.
if
One
line.
second. Read the color. If color double equal to red, then echo you are cheerful. Else if color is equal to blue, then echo you are lucky. Else you are both.
Actually, I think you need to close the if condition, put the end.
Yeah, fi is there now. If
Then tab before that.
1 second. Choose your color, red. No, it's not right. VI colors.sh, fifth line equals, it is not taking. Double equals to red. Double equals to blue. Previous script, how we have done this.
Then there has to be a tab, I think. Space.
If then echo eligible, else if.
Sir, I think should we add codes to red and blue, or is it okay?
We'll try this. We'll check it. No. VI
Sir, we need to add dollar symbol.
colors.sh if color dollar of color variable, right? Dollar of, 1 second, insert mode, dollar of color. If color is equal to red, then echo you are cheerful. If color is equal to blue, echo you are lucky. Else you are both. Try this. Colors.sh. You are cheerful. Yes. Now, so it is printing this. You are cheerful. Now let me give one more color. Let me give the color as blue. What it is printing? You are lucky. Now let's execute this. Let me give the color as white. Do you have white condition? No. Then what is printing? You are both. Now see this vi colors dot sh. What is the condition we are writing? First statement is echo. Choose your color from red, blue, green. Then read that color. It is storing into the color. Then I'm checking the condition. If color is a variable, how to access the value of the variable? By using dollar of variable name. It is giving the value. I'm checking this value matching with red or not. If it is matching with red, then this statement will be printed. If a color is not red, first condition not satisfied, then else if it is going to check the second condition. If a color is equal to blue, if this condition satisfied, then it will print this echo statement. If color is not blue, it is not red, it is not blue, then it will go to else condition. It is going to print you are both. This is our script. This is our script. Got it? Yeah. Now let me update here also. So if condition 1, else if condition 2, else default statement. So this is our script now, which is going to execute more than, which is going to check more than one condition. Anybody not able to understand this script? Read this, go through the script line by line and check it. What we have done here. Yeah, guys.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Semicolon is mandatory in E plus.
Semicolon is optional, sir. It's not mandatory. It's optional.
Okay, okay, sir.
Here, yeah, last line.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Sir, why FI is there in the last line?
FI is used to represent that if is that condition is ended.
Okay.
Condition end. Condition is ended.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
In normal programming, we are writing generally else if, right?
In the Java, we have else if. Here, elif.
Yeah. So
this is scripting syntax. That is Java syntax.
yes, sir.
Okay. You understood what is the purpose of if else if now? Huh. Suppose, guys, I want to check if we want to check one condition. If we want to check one condition, then we will use if else. Then we will use if else concept. Am I right? If we want to check one condition, then we will use if else concept. If we want to check, if we want to check multiple conditions, if we want to check multiple conditions, if we want to check more than one condition, if we want to check more than one condition, then we will use if elif concept. If elif concept. When you want to check more than one condition, if elif concept. Now, suppose, guys, let's take an example. I want to check 20 conditions. I want to check 20 conditions. So if you want to check 20 conditions, can you write like this? If condition 1, then this. If condition 2, then this. If condition 3, then this. If condition 4, condition 5, condition 6, condition 20. Is it recommended? Is it recommended to check 20?
Not at all.
Is it recommended to check 20 conditions by using if concept? Is it recommended to check 20 conditions by using if concept? Is it recommended to check? Is it recommended to check if concept with 20 conditions I want to check? Is it recommended? Guys, come on. Is it recommended to check 20 conditions by using if concept? No. If you want to check one condition, then we will go for if else. If you want to check more than one condition, if statement. If you want to check several conditions, then we will go for case statements. If we want to check several conditions, then we will go for case statement. What is the concept, guys? Case statement. In the Java, we have a concept called switch case. Similarly, in the scripting also, we have a concept called case statement. That means case 1, case 2, case 3. If you want to check multiple conditions, then we will go for case statement. Now, let us see the scenario here. I have taken a script here. X is equal to 12. Or X is equal to some number. I'm giving X is equal to 1. So if the X value is 1, then this will be executed. If X value is 2, this will be executed. If X value is 3, this will be executed. If X value is 4, this will be executed. Then it is going to end that statement. If you want to check several conditions, then we will go for case statement, guys. If you want to check the several conditions, then we'll go for case statement. Case of X in. If X is 1, good morning will be printed. If X is 2, good noon will be printed. If X is 3, good evening will be printed. If X is 4, good night will be printed. Do you understand what is the purpose of case? Do you understand what is the purpose of case? Do you understand what is the purpose of case now? Do you understand what is the case now? Right, now let me show you the examples. 3 examples here. First one is we have taken if else, guys. First one we have taken if else. If you want to check only one condition, then we will go for if else. If you want to check more than one condition, then we will go for if concept. If a color is equal to red, then print this statement. If color is equal to blue, then print this statement. If a color is not red, not blue, then print this statement. If condition 1, then execute this. If condition 1 is satisfied, execute this. If a condition 2 satisfied, execute this. If a condition 1 not satisfied, condition 2 not satisfied, then execute else statement. Okay, this is fine if you have 2 conditions, 3 conditions. But if you have 20 conditions to check, is it recommended to write like this? Is it recommended to write like this if you have 20 conditions to check? It is not at all recommended to write like this if you have 20 conditions to check. How to check more than 10 conditions? If you have 20 conditions to check, then we will go for case statement. If you want to check several conditions, then we will go for case statement. Now see the case statement how I am writing. I'm declaring one variable in the script X variable. I'm declaring a variable called X variable. X is equal to 1. Case $of X in. If X value is 1, then good morning will print. If X value is 2, then good noon will print. If X value is 3, good evening will print. If X value is 4, then good night will print. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand what is this? Do you understand when to go for case now? Do you understand when to go for case now? When to go for case? When to go for case? When you want to check multiple conditions. Okay, let's come out from this script. Let's come out from this script. Let me create one. Let me create one script. Wish.sh. Touch wish.sh. File is created. Vi wish.sh. File is in the editable mode. Now take this script now. Take this script, paste it. X is equal to 12. This is a single line comment. This is a single line comment. Case $of X in. If X is in 1, echo good morning will print. If X is 2, good noon will print. If X is 3, good evening will print. If X is 4, good night will print. Now execute it. How can we execute it? How can we execute it, guys? First, give the permission. Chmod, write permission for the user wish.sh /wish.sh. It's not printing anything. Yeah. Vi wish.sh. X is equal to 12. Vish X is equal to 12. Single line statement. If condition is true, case of $X in, echo good morning, echo good noon, echo good evening, echo good night. 1 second, guys. Let's check here. Case in Linux shell script. Case in Linux shell script. The case statement. Let's check the case statement here. Case word in pattern 1 statements will be executed. Example, fruit kiwi, case $of fruit in apple. Then echo, apple pie is quite tasty. Let me take this script now. Let me copy this. Vi edit mode. Let me delete this. Yeah, let's paste it. Fruit is equal to kiwi. Case $of fruit in. If it is apple, then echo apple is quite tasty. Banana, I like banana nut bread. Kiwi, New Zealand is famous for kiwi. Escape. Now save this. WQ, then execute ./wish.sh. New Zealand is famous for kiwi. New Zealand is famous for kiwi. That means the kiwi's condition is getting executed. Vi space wish.sh. Now see here, how many conditions we are checking here? Guys, how many conditions we are checking? 3 conditions we are checking. 3 conditions we are checking. Okay. First one is, I'm declaring a variable. Fruit is equal to kiwi. Directly I'm storing the fruit as kiwi in the variable. Can I change that variable name, variable value? Instead of kiwi, if I give it as banana, if I give it as banana colon WQ, then execute it. I like banana nut bread. So banana case is getting executed. Banana case is getting executed. Vi, this is. Now let me take this script. Case statement. When you want to check more than one condition, then we can go for case statement. When you want to check more than one condition, then we can go for case statement. Fruit is equal to banana. This is a variable name. This is the value in the variable. Case dollar of fruit in apple. If it is apple, echo, this statement will be printed. Echo, this statement will be printed. Otherwise, if the banana case, then banana will be printed. Then banana will be printed. If it is kiwi, echo, New Zealand is famous for kiwi. This statement will be printed. Got it? When to go for case? When to go for if else? When to go for if elif? When to go for case? When to go for case? Can anyone tell me when we can go for case? When we can go for case? To check several conditions. To check several conditions, we will go for case. If you want to check one condition, if else. If you want to check more than one condition, if you want to check more than one condition, if elif. If elif. If you want to check several conditions, if you want to check several conditions, case we are going to use. Case we are going to use. You got it? Case we are going to use. Come on. Yeah, you can ask the customer to enter the fruit name, or you can take this variable also. You can change this. You can ask the customer to enter the fruit. How can we change the script to ask the customer to enter the fruit? How can we change the script to ask the customer to enter the fruit? Echo, enter fruit name. Echo, enter fruit name. Then what I will do? Read fruit. Read fruit. Then it's fine. It's fine. Now escape colon WQ. Then execute it. Enter fruit name. I'm entering it as a kiwi. New Zealand is famous for kiwi. It is printed. Now execute it. Execute it. Enter fruit name. I will enter it as apple. Apple pie is quite tasty. It is executing that condition. Instead of hard coding the variable value, you can read that from user also. Enter fruit name. Read the fruit. If the fruit name is apple, then this echo will be executed. If the fruit name is banana, this will be executed. If the fruit name is kiwi, this will be executed. If I want to write the same thing by using FELF, if like that, so many things we need to write. Right. So if you want to check more than one condition or two, if you want to check one condition, if else. If you want to check 3, 4, 5, up to 5, it's okay. You can write if elif. If you want to check 20 conditions, if you want to check 30 conditions, then case is recommended. Then case is recommended. Okay, good. After this, guys, we need to go for a loops concept. After this, we need to go for loops concept that we will discuss in the tomorrow session. What is loop and how to work with the loop. I will upload this file into our Telegram group now. because our website is down. I will give this script. So please practice this script before coming to tomorrow. So today we completed control statements, if else, if elif, if else, if elif, and case. Yeah, for the people who are not from the programming background, it is a little bit difficult to understand. The people who are from the non-programming, it is a little bit difficult to understand. I will give the script, you just practice it. So tomorrow we'll talk about loops concept. Got it? Fine, guys. Thank you. With this, I'm stopping for today. We'll continue tomorrow. See you in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow we'll work on loops. Please practice these conditions. Please practice these scripts which we have executed today. Otherwise, tomorrow class also will be confusing for you. Please practice these scripts which we have practiced today. I will upload this text file in our Telegram. So please practice it. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow we'll talk about loops concept in the scripting. Loops and functions we'll discuss in the tomorrow session. Bye-bye.